Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to explain to you how to cash out on Doordash and how you can basically withdraw money as a Dasher, guys. So, if you're a Dasher looking to access your money quickly, there are a couple of ways to get paid, so let's jump right into it, guys. So first, let's go over the default payment method, which is the weekly deposits, okay? Doordash will actually automatically deposit you know your earnings into your bank account once a week. You don't need to do anything for this. Just make sure you've added your bank account details in the Dasher app. Let me show you right here. Make sure you have your bank account details added. You just go to earnings and then you add a bank account as a direct deposit. So just make sure you have your bank account details in the Dasher app, and the payments are processed every Monday. So you should see them hit your bank account, around Wednesday or Thursday. It takes usually 1 to 2 business days, depending on your bank's processing times. Now, if you need your money sooner, what you can do is, guys, DoorDash actually offers an option which is known as Fast Pay. Okay, with Fast Pay, you can cash out your earnings instantly instead of waiting for the weekly deposit. To use Fast Pay, guys, you'll need to meet a few requirements. Okay, so first things first, actually, guys, you need to complete at least 25 deliveries to sign up with FastPay, at least 25 deliveries, and you need to have been dashing for at least 2 weeks. So to cash out with FastPay, guys, okay, they usually charge a small fee, which is $1.99 per cash out, 1.99 per cash out, but transfers your money directly to your linked debit card within minutes. So make sure you've set up a debit card in the app, as this is required for FastPay. Another option, guys, another option DoorDash provides is the Dasher Direct card, which works like a debit card specifically for Dashers. So when you actually sign up for a Dasher Direct, your earnings are deposited directly into this card after every cash. So you can access your money immediately without any fees. You can also use the card anywhere Visa is accepted and even withdraw cash at ATMs, guys. So you can withdraw them at ATMs as well. To access, guys, to actually get the direct, Dasher Direct card, you need to apply through the Dasher app. What you want to do, guys, look under earnings or bank settings. Look under there where you'll see an option to actually apply for the card. You want to apply for the card, and once you're approved, Dasher will actually send it to you, and you can start using it for fast, free fee-free payout, guys. Okay, and that's how you can cash out on DoorDash, guys. Whether you're sticking with weekly deposits, using FastPay, or instant transfers, guys, it is that simple, guys. DoorDash offers you flexible ways to access your earnings, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know if you have any questions about DoorDash in the comments below. Happy dashing.